Imagine a world where glass production is not only more efficient, but also drastically reduces its carbon footprint. Sounds like a distant dream? Well, it's happening right now, and it's all thanks to a groundbreaking collaboration between Glass Futures and the University of Liverpool. But here's where it gets even more exciting. They're leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, to revolutionize the glass industry. Glass Futures, a pioneer in sustainable glass manufacturing, has teamed up with the university's Virtual Engineering Center, VC, to launch the AI Glass Project, a £1.5 million initiative funded by UK Research and Innovation, UKRI. This isn't just about making glass. It's about transforming how we think about industrial processes altogether. At its core, the AI Glass Project is a digital twin endeavor designed to create a virtual replica of the glass manufacturing process. By integrating advanced physics modeling and AI, the project aims to help manufacturers experiment with low-carbon fuels, like hydrogen or biofuels, optimize batch compositions, and predict outcomes, all without disrupting production or risking equipment. And this is the part most people miss. The system can instantly forecast the impact on energy use, emissions, melt quality, and costs, enabling manufacturers to make data-driven decisions at lightning speed. Justin Kelly, CEO of Glass Futures, puts it perfectly. By combining digital twin technology with AI, we're creating a risk-free virtual environment that accelerates decarbonization and empowers manufacturers to innovate boldly. This isn't just about cutting costs or improving efficiency. It's about fostering a culture of sustainability without compromising quality. But here's where it gets controversial. While the project builds on Glass Futures' previous research, which showed biofuels could slash carbon emissions by up to 80% compared to natural gas, some critics argue that transitioning to new fuels and technologies could be too costly or complex for smaller manufacturers. Is this a leap too far, or the inevitable future of industry? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Located at Glass Futures Global Center of Excellence in St. Helens, UK, the project leverages the site's pilot furnace and research labs. It also includes a 3D digital twin of the entire facility, created using BIM data, LiDAR scanning, and UAV photogrammetry. This photorealistic model isn't just a fancy tool, it's a game-changer for training, safety planning, remote walkthroughs, and visualizing live process insights. In essence, the AI Glass Project is more than just a technological advancement. It's a bold statement about what's possible when innovation meets collaboration. But is this the future of sustainable manufacturing, or just a high-tech experiment? Let us know what you think. This conversation is far from over.